Hello, my name is Jamie Bond, and I'm going to speak a little bit about environmental vegetarianism. What is environmental vegetarianism? It is the practice of eating a plant-based diet and or selecting plant-based meals because of the effects that intensive livestock farming has on the environment. This is really an important movement because it can help reduce hunger. It will help reduce global warming. It will help with air and water pollution, and those really are just to name a few. This is a way for us all to assist in helping the environment. It's as simple as consuming of less of what you think you may need, which in this case is meat. A lot of people think that meat and potatoes are the way to go. That's what we hear our parents say. But we really need to change our way of thinking about that. So the next question we might ask ourselves are, what are some of the environmental concerns with the diet the way that they are today? I mean, what's wrong with the way that things are? People really don't understand the amount of stress that livestock farming has on the environment. It also, again, leads to global warming, extreme excessive use of our natural resources like water, land, and fossil fuels. It leads to deforestation, which leads to loss of biodiversity and soil erosion. So here are some facts that I found on PETA's website, and it was under an article called Vegetarianism and the Environment. A few things stick out to me. One is that chicken, pigs, cattle, and other animals raised for food are the primary consumers of water in the U.S. That's amazing. The other thing is that producing a little bit more than 2 pounds of beef causes more greenhouse gas emissions than driving a car for 3 hours and uses up more energy than leaving your house lights on for the same period of time, 3 hours. Also, that agricultural runoff is the #1 source of pollution in our waterways. There's a lot of interesting information out there regarding the link of vegetarianism and the environment. I would encourage you to check out. So Feeding the Future, this picture I actually also got off of the PETA website. And I think it does a good job mirroring a lot of the topics that were reviewed in our text regarding food production and the damage it does to our planet. Our text mentions our planet will not be able to feed us at the rate we are growing with the consumption and the population. But switching to a Mediterranean diet with moderate amounts of meat and or a vegetarian diet increases the amount of people that we can feed. So here's 6 ways that vegetarians help the environment. 1, cool the planet, global warming. 2, consume less water. This really deals with the reduction of animal products being consumed and the water needed to hydrate those animals. Reduce stress on the ozone layer. Preserve ocean life. Enjoy a variety and promote biodiversity. And promote life and health. How can you get started on becoming an environmental vegetarian? It's really quite easy. You cut back on your meat and your seafood consumption for meals. This could be one day, it could be one meal. Every little bit helps. Grow a garden. Explore farmers markets to see what kinds of fruits and vegetables are in season. Talk to other people about the changes that you're making in your diet and why you're making those changes. Meatless changes will help reduce global warming, each veggie sausage at a time. This really is the easy fix in the sense that this is something that we can all do. And eating vegetarian actually can be cheaper than consuming meat and animal products for every meal. This little picture at the bottom says small actions times lots of people equal big change. And that really is what this is about. So thank you for your time and eat more veggies.